Today I will show how to buy shares of Shaftesbury Capital PLC as a practical example. Shaftesbury Capital PLC is a London-focused real estate company that owns retail and leisure properties, and it trades on the LSE PLC under the ticker SHC.L. This guide is educational and not financial advice. To buy SHC.L, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Open the platform search box and type the ticker SHC.L to locate the listing. Confirm you select the Shaftesbury Capital PLC share that matches the LSE listing. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for SHC.L. Double-check the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct Shaftesbury Capital PLC stock. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the market reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your SHC.L position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the description if you want to follow the same example.